Active and passive real estate investing are two sides of the same coin that can provide you with similar returns and benefits depending on what your strategy and your goals are. Here's how to decide if you should be actively or passively involved in your commercial real estate investments. So what does active commercial real estate investing look like? Well, in a word, challenging. The active commercial real estate investor must be, or at least become, an absolute professional. There are simply too many pitfalls, details, and legal and financial hazards that confront the commercial real estate investor for that person to not be a professional in his or her field and in that market. Hundreds of hours of specific study, professional licensing, hundreds of hours more of studying your particular market, and finally the constant full-time search for acceptable and profitable deals. This is what folks like myself do on a daily basis, and I wouldn't change a thing. However, it is a full-time job pulling these deals together. So if you're looking for a full-throated and robust career that keeps you extremely busy and in the trenches, active investing is definitely for you. It is an extremely interesting choice that allows the investor to make full use of their skills in many different arenas all at once. Not to mention, you'll also have the additional tax benefit of being a quote-unquote real estate professional, which means more write-offs at the end of the year. But if active investing seems like just too much hassle and work, but you're still looking for commercial real estate investment deals, what are you supposed to do? Well, you can invest passively. And spoiler alert, I'm both an active and a passive investor, and I'll tell you why. So let's talk about what passive commercial real estate investing looks like. I would never categorize any real estate investment strategy as easy, but passive commercial real estate investing, when you're working with a reliable, smart, and ethical partner or operator, probably comes the closest to that definition. In short, passive investing in commercial real estate gives you many of the benefits of active investing without some of the drawbacks. Essentially, instead of becoming the professional yourself, you and your money work with an experienced professional that executes on deals to stabilize and grow your investment over time. In this scenario, you do not need to be an expert in commercial real estate deals, though you can be. I mean, it's a fun hobby, and you should probably at least have some sort of idea of what's going on. You merely need to find and work with someone that is. From syndication to raising capital to the use of real estate investment trusts, the structure of passive commercial real estate investing can look almost any way you need it to and are comfortable with. So all in all, passive commercial real estate investing might be the smart choice. For the majority of people that want to invest in commercial real estate, spending the time that it takes to understand how to find and analyze deals, raise capital from investors, and properly operate an asset just isn't realistic. It took me 3 to 5 years of being involved in the business on a daily basis before I really understood what I was doing. And to be honest, I still learn on the job every day. Now, if you don't have that time, then find an experienced development or investment group, like my team and me, to invest with. They're going to have the ability to find and operate the deals to likely achieve better returns as a group than you may be able to on your own. That being said, if you're feeling drawn towards the commercial real estate industry and you're willing to commit the time it takes, I encourage you to do so. I'm grateful every day that I get to do what I do in this business. It's definitely a lot of fun and can be quite rewarding. I'm both an active and passive investor because I genuinely enjoy doing that side of the business. But I also passively invest into other operators' deals because at the end of the day, we get into real estate for the passive income opportunities. I also want to be making that quote-unquote mailbox money without having to work every single day on every single project. So which path are you going to take? Will you become an active or passive commercial real estate investor